Hello, Tony Barrett of Venice Hall. People ask me why do I love LAX? Because LAX, you can get some amazing stories. I got the Dion White with a loaded firearm at TSA. That made my New York Post, TMZ, Fox News. It went worldwide. And about 9 months ago, I got the rapper, Rich the Kid, with a firearm at TSA at, I think it was Terminal 2. So I love LAX. You get celebrity news and you get real news, and it's always a story at LAX. You can do the celebrities, you can do the police videos, and I do a lot of police videos. Check my description for my favorite TSA checkpoint arrest people that carry their firearms aboard. Now this video here, today a man was arrested at the TSA checkpoint with a loaded firearm, and it was stolen allegedly. The FBI came and interviewed him, and he was taken to the Pacific Division. Dion White had a stolen firearm, but wasn't charged for the stolen firearm. You know, that really gets me thinking. But the city attorney did charge him with a concealed weapon, and he has to go to court, and he's facing a year in jail. But look at my description for my favorite 5 best TSA checkpoint gun and your carry-on bag. If you're going to carry a gun, you have to check it with the airlines. They put it in the box under the plane, and you're good to go. But I wonder why these people would even think about taking a loaded firearm through TSA, and then it's stolen too. That is ridiculous. This was a short Walk of Fame coming up, but I still got it, and I was lucky last week when I got Dion White, the football player. There was a long walk of shame. You never know what the cops are going to do. They may take him out on the airfield, and you get a real short shot or not a shot at all. So people ask me why I do it, because I love it. And do your research, folks. If you have a legal gun, you check it with the airlines, and they'll put it on the planes. Check your bag before you leave the airport. Here's the video. Okay.